Hi, I'm Amrjot Kaur.
I'm Abdurrahman Al-Gama.
My name is Rafael Lopez, and this is a stock track program for Dr. Shiroki's class of Finance 120 in the summer semester of 2017.
Overview of project. Stock trade investment challenge is basically an analyzing of the stock market. Buying, selling, and trading of a stock in a stock market has been done in this report. This analysis has been done to develop appropriate investment philosophy. The instruction to follow were to start with an initial balance of $100,000 in a virtual money and to execute between 20 to 100 total transactions. We had a 5-week trading period to execute all these stocks. The first stock was purchased on 22nd July 2017 and the last stock was sold on 21st July of 2017. The performance was analyzed and charted and eventually compiled into a report. Our goal. Uh, when we first began, we didn't have a specific target except to make a gain. We had a high risk tolerance because we were not trading with the real money and because the trade was not dependent on our ability to generate income. Our purpose was to learn the basics of trading and even to make mistakes. Overview of project. The project was spent over a 5-week period. Because of this, it was not really effective to use an investive strategy properly. To make considerable gain in the 5-week period, one would utilize swing trading and use a speculative strategy such as capitalizing on earning statement releases. We kept somewhat diversified portfolio by buying an array of different stocks from various industries, and we used an investment strategy from one stock in an oil industry. Our group utilized mostly an investment strategy in our oil stock and speculative trading in the other. We reasoned that eventually the oil prices could plummet no more and would stand still point, after which they would begin to rise. We were pretty certain that they would rise, we just were not sure when. We choose an investment strategy in oil because usually this type of strategy is favored as more intelligent in contrast to speculative trading. For oil industry, our group selected stock in the Canadian oil company CPG, Christian Point Energy. It had this decent balance sheet as well potential for growth. We also selected 9 other stocks and traded those throughout a 5 week. These companies were Arena Pharmaceuticals Inc., Lam Research Corporation, NRG Energy Inc., Under Armour Inc., Slack Comfort Corporation, Crescent Point Energy Corporation, 21st Century First Inc., Amazon.com, Tesla, CSX Corporation.
So our focus was that we made profit on Lam Research Corporation at $846, and the energy was 763.15 cents. These companies respectively were Semiconductor and National Energy. We operated at a loss on Under Armour, Arena Pharmaceutical Inc., Tesla, and Crescent Point Energy at 1,090 and 1,507 and also 149.70 cents and 1,820 respectively. Our net rate of return on our stock investment challenge is minus 2.55 cents, which is less than NASCA of 1.52% for the month. All transactions were marked order and included by sell and short and cover. So our mistake, we learned about stock market, how it's work and how different sector of economy affect the stock price. We learned about beta and its role in choosing stocks. We invested in longer term stock that did worst in short term. The time horizon for expecting a return from oil would probably be at least of a few months to a year. Also, it would have been useful to use stop limit and stop loss order so that the group would only incur so much of a loss. We enjoyed the project greatly, and we thank you for your time.
This is the end of the presentation. Appreciate it.